If you're watching this video, one of two things is most likely true. One, you have a working prototype and are moving to validation with your converter to start proving out your concept. Or two, you're trying to validate a new converter for your existing product. You might already have an idea of what process validation looks like, and for the most part, the converting industry will follow those norms. However, there are some unique industry-specific aspects. In this video, we will break down what process validation looks like at Strouse, including the different types of pre-production and first-run activities available, and how to define your testing and quality assurance needs. Pre-production steps, such as process validation, trial runs, and initial evaluations or reports, play a vital role in confirming that your product's manufacturing process is well-defined, reliable, and consistently repeatable. Process validation ensures that your part will be consistently manufactured to meet quality standards and function correctly. While all projects undergo some level of validation, the depth depends on the product's complexity and the customer's needs. It helps prevent future production issues and confirms that your converter's process is capable and repeatable. Ensuring product conformance is a critical step in the manufacturing process. This begins with a first article inspection, also known as a setup inspection, where the production run is carefully set up, necessary adjustments are made, and initial parts are inspected to verify they meet quality standards. As product designs become more complex and demand tighter controls, additional quality measures can be implemented to maintain consistency and performance. There are several validation and testing options that you can request before full production. A more advanced option is a PPAP, or Production Part Approval Process, which includes a detailed risk assessment, process flow analysis, and system compatibility evaluations. For even more stringent requirements, process validation includes 3 stages. IQ, Installation Qualification, which inspects equipment, confirms the maintenance and equipment are adequate for the process. Next is OQ, Operational Qualification, which involves establishing press parameters through trials, identifying the correct operators, confirming material, and verifying the finished product specifications meet the manufacturing process. Lastly, we have PQ, Performance Qualification. During this stage, the press settings are monitored, the product is verified to show it's consistently produced, and data is collected from the product. These steps verify everything from equipment setup to consistent part output under real production conditions. It's also important to note that revalidation may also be needed after any major design or process change. To establish appropriate validation, start with a clear definition of your product's function, critical tolerances, and performance expectations. Understanding what a successful part looks like and what could interfere with achieving that outcome helps guide your converter in selecting the right quality controls. Communicating your design, risk level, and functional goals is key to choosing the right balance of inspection, testing, and validation to match your project's needs without adding unnecessary costs. The other big factor for defining product testing and validation is experience. After you have run a job multiple times, you have a better idea of how stable the process is, and therefore how often you need to measure and to what level. If you're unsure what level of validation your project requires, partnering with an experienced converter like Strouse can help tailor a process that balances quality assurance with cost efficiency. If you have any questions about the validation process, you can reach out to us directly or visit our Learning Center for more articles and videos on these topics. Thanks for watching.